Hey JJ, we made it.
Yeah. Gotta pay to get on here.
We made it.
Yep.
Jekyll Island.
We is here. Jeep did good. Camper did good. I know that this car going by us because they drive fast and put my seatbelt
We're
on.
about to go let everybody watch us get set up.
Yep. We're gonna have some show and tell, I'm afraid. Hey, good morning. We're at the 2022 RPod Rally, and this is our setup with a Calypso out here. This morning we're getting ready to go for a bike ride. I just thought I'd show a little setup. We got real lucky. We got woods behind us, a tree behind us in the road out there, but no, we're not boxed in. We got one van style RV next to us, but all right, we've had breakfast, almost ready to go. Inchworm. He ain't moving much. Or caterpillar. Not sure which.
Got JJ putting the baskets on the Electra townies. Good morning, JJ.
Hey, morning.
We're at the RPod Rally in Jekyll Island. There's a RPod across from us there. YouTubers. Photo pod adventures if you want to follow an RPod adventure. Talk to y'all later.
Going for a bike ride and catch up with Debbie. RPods everywhere. That looks like a 189. 179. There's one of about 3 Jeep Gladiators out here pulling RPods, and I think we saw one 4-door Jeep. A couple of the brown ones. I don't know the model numbers on those. They don't have the back window. RPods, I think that's a 189. Probably a year newer than ours. This is there with the Gladiator. A lot of RPods off up there in the distance too. And 3 in a row. These are all 2020, 2021's year with that honeycomb looking design on the side. Another one over there with Debbie. Hey, Debbie. There's a older white one. I hadn't seen that one. The brown one. RPods are strong around here everywhere. There's a big group out there, but then there's onesie twosies out everywhere too. Alright, riding down the Jekyll Island bike trail from the campground down to Tortuga's restaurant if it's open. If not, then we'll go down there by the big hotels and see what's in that little shopping area to eat at. All right. People park here and walk out to the beaches through the trees. Headed out to the beach, or headed out and look at the beach, but you got to leave your bikes. Rode out here to Driftwood Beach. That's St. Simon's Island over that way. But way out there, St. Simon's Lighthouse. We usually go to the Driftwood Beach over at Clam Creek picnic area and fishing pier. That's unreal. That beautiful tree. There's Dee Dee. All the way around you. Really cool. Ocean reclaiming the trees. There's a cruise ship way out there. Pretty sure that's one of those casino cruises. Alright, we're back to the trail. Little salt marsh here beside the trail with the creek going through it. Highway's back out to the Driftwood Beach where we were. Alright, let me catch up with the Dee Dee. Little birds. One of you bird people might tell me what they are. Bike path's taking us back out toward the beach. The real beach, with sand on all the trees. And by the Holiday Inn where we've stayed before. As you can see, all the plants and everything get blown the way the wind's blowing in from the ocean. Alright, hopefully we'll be eating here in a minute. Park the bikes and go walk out and look at the ocean before we go eat. That's the Atlantic and Georgia Beach. Beautiful, but with it turned up like this, it's a little dirty. Yeah, but it's still the ocean. That's the little market over there where they have food and groceries and stuff you can buy. It's Jekyll Market. Little hardware store over there. This is the roundabout as you come on the island. That's your one gas station on the island, a Circle K, and your one fast food attached to it, which is a Dairy Queen. That's it. gator allergy class. We have seen gators back here in some of these ponds before. All right, let me catch up. We have seen gators in this before. I don't know if the tide's in or out. What you think? I think the tide's in. Told you there was gators in here. You see him? Your little baby one. Where's the mommy at? He don't care nothing about us. Look how pretty it is through there. He's got a nice home. Okay, do not feed wildlife. We just saw that gator. When you lose a hand, you be like that guy in Happy Gilmore. But they're gonna be specific. Don't feed the turtle, fish, birds, raccoons, deer, squirrels. They ain't kidding. All right, back on the trail.
No.
There's some of the old houses out here on Jekyll where rich folks used to live. Good years. I can't remember. Vanderbilt, somebody. Anyway, we've seen all this before. We just wanted to ride through here. We're doing the circle, the southern part of the island, I believe. Southern half. All right, let me catch up. And that is the Jekyll Island Hotel. There you go, very famous. Probably very expensive. The Jekyll Island Wharf restaurant, we've actually eaten there, it's good. With really cool views. That out there is the really tall bridge that brings you out to Jekyll and Hilton. Really cool drive. You can also walk it and bike it too. If you're ever down this way, well, take it back, that island, that bridge brings you to Jekyll and south. There's another bridge for St. Simon. The marshes of Glenn County. Taking the boardwalk. In a minute you'll see the municipal airport of Jekyll Island. And that is the Tybee Island Airport and golf cart rental.
JJ picking him out a book from the library.
This is the Horton house. You'll see it in a minute. It's made out of tabby, what's left of it. Foundation. No, that's a cemetery right there. Gated cemetery. That's the Horton house. It's made out of tabby, shells and mud and stuff. Two-story multi-room house. Narrow. See all the shells up in the walls? This was more than likely the kitchen with the fireplace, cooking area. There's a bird sanctuary at the back of the Jekyll Island Campground we just rode back to on the bikes. Say, take donation, no pets or people inside the sanctuary area. It's really pretty. Talk to him, dude.
You better get on back in that thing.
Bye, friend. Here on a trail behind the Horton house that goes out to the Horton pond. Been on a little while, but it's been really pretty. I think we're just now coming to the Horton pond. Gonna climb this hill one hand. Oh, really cool. That thing in the middle with all the turtles on it. Back out to the ocean.
That's JJ putting the bikes up. Got our little chairs. This big recliner chair was left at the campsite, but we're gonna leave it too.
Say hey, Dee. In Jekyll Island. Park ranger, you don't know, hardly ever see them out here. We just got back from the beach and come back to find this. There's been squirrels playing all up under the camper. Yeah, around the Jeep, and I guess he's mad we didn't leave him nothing to eat, so he went to find his nut under our mat. So figure out how to repair that. Yep.
We got the brake set up. JJ's getting us out of here. You ready to go home?
Yep, waving at the RPods.
Yep.
That's what I'm waving at.
It was been a good trip. Everything's hooked up. We're gonna head to the house. Get home about 12:40. It's probably more like 1:15.
You better add some to that.